Hi, to show alarm on iPhone lock screen, firstly make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version. To check this, go ahead and open Settings. Here find General and then pick Software Update section. Now, if you can see any new updates here, then update your device. And now, to show alarm on iPhone lock screen, we need to long press our current lock screen first, then unlock it to Edit, click Customize, and pick Lock Screen. And all is left is to tap Add Widgets, scroll a bit down and find the section Clock. Now you will see many different styles of clock, but we need to swipe left till the end to find this one, Next Alarm. So you can pick either this bigger size or smaller, it doesn't really matter. You can also set both by tapping it. And now it will display upcoming alarm. So if you got any new alarms, you will see it right on your lock screen. And of course, save changes by clicking Done button. You can easily access your clock app by clicking this widget on your lock screen. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.